Hello, we are now going to introduce grouping inside this heat map that we have created. We now want to group everything by department for whatever XYZ reason. Click on close. Now you cannot drag the department ID here directly since this is a cross DB pivot. To do this, you need to load all the distinct department IDs into a table. Fortunately for us, we have already created a table where all of our departments exist. Let's load it up first. Click on code data and plus, and this one is as simple as select all from department, order by department ID. Click on OK, and we want to call this, let's say we will call this department query, DEPT query. Okay. Now in my ADO query, we are going to introduce a change wherein we will say that load where my department ID, okay, is equal to colon department ID, or we'll say DEPT. Okay, now this is a parameter. Click on OK. In selecting ADO query, go to the right in Object Inspector, click on Master and assign it as a master of department query. In your params, which is parameter, make your data type as string. In the value, we are going to pass it department ID from DPT query. Click on OK, click on OK, save it. If you preview it right now, your data has gone even weirder, right? So let's just find out what we need to do. The first thing we will do is we will just drag our item over here, delete all of the master data so that it's a free band we have. From here, click on insert band, okay? Click on group header. Now from here, we want the group to be from department query or to be based on department ID. Introduce another band for master data from department query. Let's say here we will bring the department name, correct? Another band, now we call it a detailed data, and here this will be on our original ADO query. Make it slightly bigger, introduce our table back, save, cross your fingers, and here we go. Your pivot table, your heat map is now grouped by department. Hope this was helpful. I know slightly confusing. Come on to the forums. The developers are very helpful. They will resolve all of your issues. Thank you very much.